How to sync your inbox with TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can sync your inbox with TripIt. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to launch the TripIt application on your mobile device. Then move to the bottom right corner and click on your accounts page or account icon. By clicking on account icon, you'll be brought to your account page. So click on your profile name, which is the first option there. Then on the profiles page, you can see name, you can see home, you can see email addresses. Okay, so once you can see all of that, select the email address that you'd like to sync your inbox with. So after selecting the email address, you'll be brought to the email address page, and then you see the option turn on inbox sync. So if you want to do that, just tap on the toggle this way, and then you wait for it to be updated. And then once it's done updated, you'll be asked to log in into that particular email. Click on your Chrome, and then you'll be directed to your page. Choose the account that you'd like to turn on the inbox sync, then click on continue, then scroll down, click on continue, and then just like that, your inbox sync would be your inbox would be synced directly with TripIt. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.